Welcome to Road Solver Tutorials. In this tutorial, we are discuss about the payment levels, how to manage the payment levels in Road Solver software. First, this payment layers. That payment structure contains, there is a group of multiple layers. If you see this diagram, this typical section which is contains the total payment structure, that is included in the bituminous bearing cost, bituminous base cost, and aggregate base cost, and subgrade. Sometimes this is a bituminous bearing cost, bituminous base cost, aggregate base cost. There is sometimes coming sub base and subgrade. There is a 4 layers, sometimes it is coming more layers. So this is called the payment layers. So each layer we should need the survey levels for the setting out, and we also need for the levels for the volume calculation. Also this cut fill section, the top of the embankment layer, this top of embankment layer, also it is included in the payment layer section, which is in our road solver program. Okay, so first, now this is a payment level panel. So in this panel there is a layer of payment selection. So if you click that one, so how many layers if you have that one, each layer will be appear there. The other things which is input, it is the same value of the station, offset, and elevation, same method. So also the type of input method will be 3 types. One, it is manually enter the direct value of each station, offset, and elevation. Another one, we have to import from the Excel file format, that is CSV file. Another one, these road levels will be calculated from the templates. So we can use, you can create these payment layer levels by 3 methods. Also there is a additional panel which is inside the payment levels, that is named as a data review. So from that one you can see the data front and back side, so complete data to view. Now first thing, which is import from Excel file. If you want to import the Excel file, this is a format which is a station, offset, and elevation. So same like this, you have to type all the levels, which is then you can save this as a CSV file format. Then you can import directly to the each layers. So this is normally if you want to calculate the payment layers, this is from the PGM and typical section and the slope and all the factors which is included for the calculation. So this is not easy. So normally road solver is simply calculate these levels through template calculation only. Okay, so this in the template calculation, this is a input point panel. So there is a point, we will discuss this how it will be created from the template, that is in the next chapter. So just here we just see the how it is working. So that is a input panel. There is a earthwork template. Another one, it is a payment volume template. This is a road solver template panel model. So there is a graph and with the template point data. Okay, so after create the template, then you have to run this template. Then during this running, this each points will be calculated and it will be stored in the road solver database. Now in the road solver program, first you go to sectional data and select payment levels. If you choose this one, there is no layers which is created in the panel. So that first you have to go to template calculation, create payment layers, that is already it is created bituminous bearing cost, base cost, and subgrade. Then after that you have to go create template models. So from that one you just create earthwork volume. So template, I make it earthwork template number 1. Okay, so give this description temp, then make save. So after you put this earthwork, then you go to the pavement levels. So now this top-up embankment will be appear automatic. Okay, so now from here, now you can make it 675, distance minus 7.5, elevation 100.257, then insert. So this is the same like this method. You can insert the value. If you want to modify, select that one. You can change the number whatever you need, then press modify. So this is a method which is used with this one. This is a by manual. The other type, which is import the data. Now this is already I calculated the top of embankment levels. That levels will be station, offset and elevation. So this already I make it calculation. So this one you can type it in Excel, then file, save as, same like CSV, comma eliminated file. Okay, so this file we are going to import in the program. So just click import, and this top of embankment TOE levels. So I choose this one, and it is, so this already appear here, this 675, 700, only one station only come. Okay, this is a method. Another method, you are going to calculate from the template. So just this template already I created for the earthwork. This is already created. So from here I am going to calculate this template. So before that you have to assign this template 675 to 8000. This is template 1, modify. So now check this vertical, you have these values. So there is no value. You can calculate from the template. Just select the earthwork volume and select, now I put it only 1000 station, then you just press calculate. So the calculation will be calculated. It will be stored in the database file. So this is a method. You can, now you can see this is a data which is calculated from the through using the template method.